My Nintendo membership service will replace Club Nintendo. Nintendo account continues loyalty program. Nintendo discontinued its membership Nintendo program in 2015 and changed it with Nintendo account and My Nintendo. The final day to redeem cash for downloadable packages and rewards was June 30, 2015, and the final day customers may redeem membership Nintendo obtain codes within the Nintendo eShop was July 31, 2015. My Nintendo loyalty program. Very similar to its predecessor, My Nintendo encourages interplay with rewards and reductions on digital video games. However, a Nintendo account is required to take part at My Nintendo. Anybody with a Nintendo account can use My Nintendo without spending a dime. Making a Nintendo account. If you have already got a Nintendo Network ID, and an ID, use it once you join a Nintendo account. You may create a Nintendo account through the web, and you need to use a FB, Google, or Twitter account to streamline join. Nintendo account versus Nintendo Community ID. Nintendo accounts and Nintendo IDs are two separate issues which are used for various functions. The Nintendo Community ID is used on online game programs reminiscent of Wii U and Nintendo 3DS programs. It is used for online options like online multiplayer interactions or shopping for downloadable software program by way of the Nintendo Sport retailer. A Nintendo account is used with sure internet providers reminiscent of My Nintendo. Additionally, it is used with smartphone apps, reminiscent of Mutimo. A Nintendo account will be linked to just one Nintendo Community ID. Linking your NID and Nintendo account. If in case you have a Nintendo account and NID, you possibly can hyperlink these two. Linking your accounts permits, you possibly can share Nintendo eShop funds throughout Nintendo's totally different programs. Purchase video games in your Nintendo system in your PC or good system. Earn My Nintendo Rewards program factors. Obtain video games routinely to your gaming system. After you arrange your Nintendo account, go to My Nintendo to register to the positioning. You too can join a Nintendo account on the My Nintendo website. For the smoothest expertise, use your Nintendo Community ID on all of your purchases and providers. If in case you have separate NID and Nintendo accounts, you possibly can hyperlink them to start out incomes factors at My Nintendo. After you might have signed up for a Nintendo account, observe these steps to hyperlink it to your NID. Sign up to your Nintendo account at http://accounts.nintendo.com. Choose Person Information positioned on the left aspect of the web page. Underneath linked accounts on the correct aspect of the web page, press Edit. Choose the checkbox subsequent to Nintendo Community ID. Sign up to your NID account, and observe the prompts to complete including your account to your Nintendo account. Utilizing My Nintendo. Like membership Nintendo, My Nintendo customers earn factors for particular actions. Amongst them are taking part in apps on good gadgets, shopping for digital video games for the Wii U or Nintendo 3DS programs. My Nintendo factors are within the type of Platinum factors, which you earn by interacting with Nintendo providers and apps, and Gold factors you possibly can earn for purchasing digital variations of video games. Redeem these factors for unique digital video games, reductions, and in-app gadgets. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.